Ready? Start. Section 4 and Proviso to the said section of COTPA 2003 read as under. 4. Stop. Prohibition of smoking in a public place. Stop. No person shall smoke in any public place provided that in a hotel having 30 rooms or a restaurant having seating capacity of 30 persons or more, and in the airports, a separate provision for smoking area or space may be made. Stop. From a reading of the above section 4 of the act, it is apparent that it prohibits smoking in any public place. Stop. However, as per the proviso, a hotel having 30 rooms or a restaurant having seating capacity of 30 persons or more, and in the airports, a separate provision for smoking area or space may be made. Stop. It is clear that it obligates a hotel having 30 rooms or a restaurant with a seating capacity of 30 persons or more shall have a provision for separate smoking area. Stop. In the case of hand, it is merely alleged that though the terrace was not notified as a smoking area, the injured and other resident guests of the hotel were allowed to smoke in the terrace area in the 6th floor. Stop. It is the specific case of the appellants accused that there is a separate smoking area at the lobby level of the hotel. Stop. In absence of making any allegations that hotel has not provided at all any smoking area in the entire hotel, there is absolutely no reason for or justification to prosecute the appellants accused for the alleged offence under section 4 of COTPA 2003. Stop. Even if the allegations are taken on the face value as mentioned in the charge sheet, no offence is made out against both the appellants qua the alleged offence committed by them to prosecute under section 4 of the COTPA 2003. Stop. For the aforesaid reasons, so far as the prosecution under section 4 of COTPA 2003 is concerned, it is a fit case to be quashed against both the accused number 2, Shiv Kumar Jatia, and also accused number 4, Sim Kapoor. Stop. Stanza. From a reading of the impugned order passed by the High Court, we are of the view that the High Court mainly relied on the judgment in the case of Sushil Ansal versus State through CBI. Stop. In the aforesaid case, which relates to Aphar Cinema, which caught fire and resulted in death of number of persons, was a case where a repair to the transformer that had been made on the day before the incident, was not properly done. Stop. Over.